Okay, apparently you can kill dogs. It just takes a lot of hits. So yeah, I'm gonna try the incinerator now. See if that'll work. This place is really quiet now. I like that. I'm not strong enough to use my hands. Tool to force it open. Found the tool. Alright. Apparently you do go to the incinerator. I thought you'd go to section B, but I guess I was wrong.
Where are you, my shiny knight? Have you really made it this far? I wait, and yet the pot never boils. I remain trapped in my den of iniquity. Perhaps the gods have toyed with me once more. Sentenced me to yet more years in this place of eternal nightlight. But now, maybe my ill advice has ended you. Have you rung death's doorbell?
No.
Please don't leave poor Ren all alone once more, like all the others.
It's over, buddy. I'm not dying yet. Not even dogs can take me anymore. Alrighty. Oh. Sorry, Red, I lied. Looks like you're on your own, buddy. I missed the jump. Take down 3 dogs, but this platforming got me. Probably just shouldn't run across it. That probably doing pretty good, but running's obviously not my favorite right now. This one. Alright, made it. Barely, but I made it. Oh, sure, it opens this way. That's not a trap waiting to happen. Alright, nothing in there. This room would serve well as a potion mixer with the explosive book as my guide. Glass container, safe spot. Love me some safe spots. Some beakers. Oh, what's this? We got fuse. You know me and my fuses. We don't go hand in hand. Which is strange with how much I like to blow stuff up. Not very good with fuses. If I never see another of these things, I don't know. I don't like them, but at the same time, I know that I'm leaving a part of myself behind each time I go near them. Can I just leave it here? Yeah, why not? Alright, so do I use the big book of explosives or do I use chemists? Well, okay, obviously I use the chemist. Okay, BADCFE. I can always go back to that and look. Yeah, big book of explosives. Explosive book. Okay, so I already used the black match fuse. I have dynamite. TNT. Do I use this? I don't know. Okay, I guess not. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna use the get notes. Right, that's what they all are. It's BADC. What do I do with this? Perhaps I could use the burner to manufacture a makeshift chemical bomb if I had the right chemicals. I have the right chemicals. Okay, the burner shit is on. Let's try B. I need the gas supply before I can light the burner. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. I need gas supply before I can let the burn. The beaker can mix. Oh, right. Okay. Beaker. B. And I'm mixing this one with D, right? B-A-D. Okay, B-A-D. Is that good? Or did I do it wrong? I think I did it wrong. Okay, maybe magnesium, calcium, barium. Okay, okay, so that's magnesium, I think. I think that's what's saying. Magnesium. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to mix this. I don't think... He said something about explosives. The black match. Yeah, not that. Dynamite. I've used TNT. Red phosphorus and barium. Okay. Do I got barium? I do got barium. He said something about... Alright, this is gonna be interesting. I swear that has something to do with it. Not that one. Valley Administ... Oh, it says B-A-D-C-F-E. I don't know what that means. Barium. Yeah, but there's no A, so that... Alright, we're just gonna do some mixing. Because I can't figure it out. Okay, didn't like that. Didn't like that either. Okay. Or do I... Sorry if this takes a little bit. I'm sorry if this isn't even what I'm supposed to be doing. But figure I gotta get it right eventually. I mean, there's only 6 of them. There's only so many combinations I can make. So I figure eventually I have to get right. And maybe once I get it right once, then I might be able to figure out the pattern. Maybe. Oh, hello. So long as I'm careful when I move it, it should be stable. So I don't mix anything else. Oh. So I only had to mix 2 things. Do I put the fuse in here? I don't know. It took all the chemicals. So... I guess I'm just gonna bring this thing, oh god, with me. Oh fuck, do I bring that with me? Alright, yeah, I guess so. I didn't even think about getting back. Fuck. Oh, that's great. It exploded with me. That's fantastic. Okay, let's try this again. I'm just glad that doesn't cause explosion. This might help a little with seeing. Okay. Would have been nice to walk on there. Note to self, don't jump. And hit the bomb into the wall. Okay. Third time's the charm, right? Third time's the charm. Okay, open this damn door. Close stick. Okay, don't hit the wall. Yeah. We can do it. There we go. We're good. Alright, I don't know if it just has a time on it or what. I don't know, maybe. Or maybe it just doesn't like that jump. I don't know, let's try moving fast with it. Maybe that's it. Okay, if I die like 1 or 2 more times, then I will just cut to when I don't die. Note to self, don't throw it. Okay, so I guess it must have been the drop, or I don't know. I mean, I'm still probably gonna hurry with it because I actually seemed to work out pretty well. When I was hurrying, I actually seemed to get past this part pretty well. So let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut till I get over there. So yeah, I'll be right back. Wait for it to load. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I got the potion over there. And now I'm afraid to go near it. So I'm gonna try to put the fuse in it. Okay, the fuse is in it. We're gonna have to book it. This thing's gonna burn fast. Go, 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 go! Okay, maybe it's not as fast as I thought it was gonna be. We did it. We did it. Oh, by the way, I died like 3 or 4 times on the way back over here. That was great. Okay. Let's see red, shall we? What's this? This door, it's different. Newer than all the others. This must be where it's been leading me all this time. I can't get a hold of it. I need something to lever, whatever way you want to pronounce it, open. I've located the locked door that red has been leading me to. I need to get it open. Okay. It's locked. Good to know. Let's go this way.